Hi there, I'm Heather with WTI. Let me tell you something about an amazing mattress topper by JOYRIDE. The comfort, first of all, it's amazing. I'm not typically a fan of memory foam, but this is just built different. It's a gel memory foam, so it's cooler than most memory foam you'll find. Plus, it has a textured removable cover. This way it can be fully laundered or just spot treated if needed. If you're on an air mattress, this helps ensure a warm and comfortable night's sleep. Sometimes putting a blanket over top of the air mattress is just not enough insulation. The elastic corner bands can hold the existing mattress, or it makes a great grip when you're transporting to your RV or your tent. So I love that. I found it stayed in place really well, and I didn't need to use the straps when it was on a mattress because the anti-slip silicone dots helped it to stay in place as well. This was ideal in an RV as well as in our bedroom. We love how this insulated our camp air mattress for a night's sleep that felt right at home. This makes a great addition to an older mattress that just needs a little topper added. Also, one way we've used this is as kids' fort underneath the bed. Wherever the kids need a little extra comfort on a hard ground, this is ideal, ultimate comfort. It's so very soft and breathable, great support for our spinal health and a comfortable night's sleep even when the conditions were hot and cold. Because it's shrink wrap, be sure to allow a few days for it to fully expand. You definitely will be wanting to try this highly versatile mattress topper. JOYRIDE is all the comforts of home, and that's my point of view.